Humble Petition and Advice, 1657, Part 4. 16. And that all writs issued out of the Chancery, and all writs and patents of the justices of the one bench and of the other, barons of the exchequer, commissions of the oyer and terminer, gold delivery, and justices of the peace, and all other commissions, patents, and grants, made and passed under the great seal of England, Scotland, or Ireland, shall stand good and effectual in the law, notwithstanding this petition and advice of your Highness's assent thereunto, or any law, statute, or custom to the contrary, and that all writs and all commissions, indictments, informations, process, actions, suits, bills, or plaints, taken out or now depending in any court of record at Westminster, or any other court of record in England, Scotland, or Ireland, or in the town of Berwick-upon-Tweed, and all process, pleas, demurrers, continuances, and proceedings, in every such writs, indictments, informations, actions, suits, bills, and plaints, shall be returnable, stand good and effectual, and be prosecuted and sued forth in such manner and form, and in the same state, condition, and order, the style and test of proceedings, after passing of these presents, being made conformable thereunto, this present petition and advice, or your Highness's assent thereunto, or any law, custom, or usage to the contrary thereof in any wise notwithstanding, and that any variance that shall be occasioned be reason thereof, touching any and said writs, process, or proceedings in the name, style, test, or otherwise, shall not be in any wise material as concerning any default or error to be alleged or objected thereunto. 17. And that your Highness and your successors will be pleased to take an oath in such form as shall be agreed upon by your Highness and this present Parliament to govern these nations according to the law. 18. And in case your Highness shall not be satisfied to give your consent to all the matter and things in this humble petition and advice, that then nothing in the same be deemed of force to oblige the people of these nations in any the particulars therein contained. And these our desires being granted by your Highness, we shall hope, through the rich mercy and goodness of God, that it will prove some remedy to those dangers, distractions, and distempers which these nations are now in, and be an effectual means to remove those jealousies and fears which remain in the minds of many men concerning the government of this commonwealth, and thereby we shall be enabled and encouraged with all cheerfulness to the settling of such things, which shall be further necessary for the good of these nations, and be most ready to join with you in promoting the work of reformation happily begun by your Highness, the regulating courts of justice, and abridging both the delays and charges of lawsuits, and apply ourselves to such other courses and counsels as may be most like to heal our breaches and divisions, and to restore these poor nations to a union and consistency with themselves, and to lay a foundation of further confidence between your Highness and them, to the rejoicing of the hearts of our friends and terror of our enemies. Which petition being presented the 25th day of May, 1657, His Highness's answer thereunto was read by the clerk of the Parliament in these words: The Lord Protector doth consent.